welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review the new Land of the Lollies Eyeshadow Palette. You get 10 amazing looking eyeshadow colors, bright and pigmented. This is brand new and never been opened, and I want to show you some swatches and a little bit of like an eyeshadow tutorial. Let's get into this, shall we? I'm super excited to try this. I've been wanting this ever since I saw it. The colors look amazing and very pigmented. Some of my favorite colors are in here, and some of the glitter ones. Okay then. Life happened. A lot of these colors are my favorite, and some are like very festive, like the shimmering ones. I want to try those ones out as well. So I want to dive into this and see how this will actually apply. I have some brushes here and we're going to do some swatches. I'm opening up the palette here. And there's no names for these shades on the back. It's just 1 through 10. So I'm going through 1 through 10. The first one is white, and that's how it looks. Probably a nice highlight shade. The next is a yellow shade. Not too bright, it's just more of a clear, more of a glitter type of shade, more translucent. Kind of just like a sparkle. This is a red-orange shade. And it's not very pigmented at all, as you can tell. You might have to apply a few times. Taking a different brush. This is this shade right here. This shade, not very dark. More of a peach light color blush shade right there. The blue actually is not that dark. Let me take off my bracelet. The blue is not that pigmented. It's more of a light shade as well. This dark pink shade. Oh wow. Very translucent. The purple. Yeah, very translucent shades. On the other side, trying this teal shade. Very light as well. I'm sure they're buildable. I'm hoping. This gold shade. Oh, the gold is just like the yellow one. And for the final one is the black shade. That one better be dark. It's kind of like a translucent black. You're going to have to go in heavy with that one, it seems. Those are all of the shades for the Land of the Lollies. As you can see, hopefully you can see them in the sun here. That's why I came out here, so that way you can actually see them in real life, in the real sun. We're going to get into the live eyeshadow application. I'm using my normal everyday eyeshadow primer from Wet n Wild. This stuff better work. The palette, a lot of shimmer. That's for sure. You're going to shimmer. Taking my handy dandy eyeshadow application brush, I'm dipping into the dipping into this black shade because you know obviously. So we gotta dive into that first. Getting a big helping of the color, shaking off excess, and seeing how this will work. Oh, it applies a lot better than the arm swatches. That's why you can't always trust swatches. You always gotta try multiple sources. So far so good. I mean, it goes on a little light for my taste, but you can build it up. And I'm sure if you dampen your brush, it'll be a lot more intense, but I'm not into that. It makes my eye feel weird. It makes it feel all gross and nasty. And you always have to fan, so I'm not a big user of water on my brushes. I feel like it'll contaminate the palette more easily. Not a good look if you have pink eye somehow. So far so good. Don't see any fallout yet. And I'm tapping it so that way it becomes more impacted onto the lid than usual, than like swiping it, because it's not a good idea to do that. Dipping in again for the other side. So far so good. This is as good as it's going to get for me. I think it's like really awesome. There's some fallout, but I can clean it up with a makeup wipe. That's why I apply my eyeshadow before my full face. Going in with an angled brush, I'm using the glitter. I'm going to use this glitter shade right here for in the crease, in the center right here. And see how that plays out. Very light. There, you can't even see it. You can kind of see it in the crease, but it's not so intense as the black, obviously. Try something different. I want to try a little bit of this orange reddish shade. And I'm going to put that over here at the end a little bit. Just dabbing into it. Just a little bit of shade. Right here. Just a little bit at the corner, not a whole bunch. Maybe a little bit of this glittery blue shade, perhaps in the corner. Maybe. Just to spice things up a little bit right here. It's not very visible because of the black. So not too much. For some reason it's more visible on this side than this side, but there. I think that looks okay. And I'll be cleaning this up with a makeup wipe soon. Let me add a highlight shade. I'm going in with this glittery shade right here because it was super light before, so let's see if it's super light now. It's kind of light-ish. Not too much blended out. Same for the other side. I'll be back. I'm going to apply the rest of my makeup and share with you my final thoughts. I actually did my makeup off camera, as you can see. And I cleaned up all of the extra, which wasn't that much, excess makeup. But this palette is amazing. The swatches weren't really that great, you know. I was a little worried and skeptical, but actually applying it, you can work with it and it'll work with you. I'm going to try it out all day today and see how the look plays out. You can follow me on my social media so that way you can see everything. Definitely go pick this up if you can. I believe it's at Ulta and Walmart. At Walmart it's around $18, I believe, that's with tax. So it's a little pricey, but you get so many great pigments and shades, so it's actually a great deal. And it's a great product and great quality from NYX. NYX is great for everything. Try out the other Land of the Lollies products that they have out. I'm going to do another video and show you the rest of the products that they have available, like lipsticks and lip glosses. We're gonna dive into some, so stay tuned for those videos. This one was purchased by Jay. It was an early Christmas gift, so thanks to Casual Baron for purchasing it for me. I love him so much. And I love this palette. It's awesome. Pick yourself up one if you can. They're going fast. They're going fast. That was the last one. Anyway, if you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, please. Why not? It's free. You can press the notification bell, and you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday, so be on the lookout for those. And sometimes I post the occasional random video upload, so be sure to be in the loop. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.